Hello everyone, I am Rohit and I am going to present my internship presentation on Python with the Django and ethical hacking under the guidance of Professor Kayapriya ML. Next, we will know about the contents of the presentation. Then we will know about the company that I have worked as an intern. Then we will know about actual work done as an intern, the skills that I have gained, and benefits of doing the internship. Lastly, we will see the completion of internship certificate. Next, we will know about the details of company that I have worked as an intern. That is Ecclesia Advanced Computer Technology. It has an excellent facilities and operates within a professional framework with a dynamic work culture and professional expertise. They are associated with some of the major IT companies such as Wipro, Infosys, HP, IBM, etc. Their goal is to place most of the trainees in various IT companies by the demands and needs of the IT companies. They have real-time lab of Cisco trainings. All practicals will be done on live devices. They have team of Cisco certified trainers and also industrial with industrial experience. They have joined hands with global partners like JUX and GTC. The JUX Career Masters are a collection of courses offered by a top industry partners to enable employee seekers to build their career goal. Then we will move on to the work that I have done as an intern. In the firstly, we get a training on basics of networking concepts and various penetration technique methods and basics of client server side attacks, and we will get to know about the hands-on experience on basics of ethical hacking. Then we got knowledge about the basics of Python Django framework, which we use as a backend framework for developing the websites. The Django is a free and open source web application framework. It's a combination of certain components and packages. When developing the complex applications, we don't want to build everything from scratch. It will be time consuming. So we are using a web application framework that is Django. In the current scenario in the digital world, most of the virtual solutions for a business or anything is a web applications. For example, Flipkart, Amazon, Mintra, Uber, etc. We can build websites with the help of a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, we use HTML for a layouting purpose, and for the design of the and look and feel of the website, we use CSS. Then we will use JavaScript for the website to be interactive one. All these technologies that we mentioned are for the front end purpose to build the website. For the backend, we need to choose a dynamic one. The website should be dynamic. The dynamic means in the current softwares, the dynamic means all. For example, in a Flipkart, each user, according to his previous feed and browsing data, the individual persons will get the individual views, and according to his desire and his previous data, the pages will load and user experience will be uh, viewed on the particular software that is meant by dynamic one. So we have some dynamic backend technologies like for the purpose of developing a website like Java, Servlet, PHP, and ASP Python. So we use a Django as a backend tool to develop the websites. Then we are assigned with some of the tasks to build web applications using the Django framework. So we build some applications like the to-do list and some other applications. We get to know about the practical experience on developing the websites and with the help of a Django framework. And and also we deploy in the servers cloud, and we get to know about the practical challenges in developing the applications and deploying them. Next, we will know about the skills that I have gained, the technical skills. We get to know on hands-on experience about Django and ethical hacking. Next, we got knowledge on Django by developing the web applications. Next, we get to know about the overall knowledge about web design and web security. Not only designing a website is uh, mm, designing website. Not only the problem, we also get to know about the challenges that are associated with it. That is web security and other web penetration techniques that have involved in this. The overall web design and its core components that have as gained as technical skills. Coming to the non-technical skills, the communication skills that we gained is like when working in a team, how the communication should be between the individuals and other things. Then we get to know about the time management by when developing the web applications, when projects, how time management should be there. We get to know about all these things. Then the interpretational skills and networking, how networking in a team should be done. Then we get to know about the positive attitude, and how creative should we. Then we will move on to the benefits of doing the internship. We gain valuable work experience. Uh, an internship that provides opportunity to gain hands-on experience on that is not possible in a classroom or any by reading the theory. As I work by working as an intern, we get to know about the real problems and work culture and IT environment, problem solving skills. The In the internship, we are able to experience the real world problems during the development of the project, applying the theoretical knowledge that we have in our academics were implemented during the internship. Lastly, by working as an intern, we got the confidence to work in a real-time IT environment. Next, we move on to the certificate of completion of the internship. The certificate awarded after completing the internship. Thank you.